Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In today's video we have a special guest. We have my friend Belinda here, and we're going to be doing something a bit different for you guys. We're going to be doing a bit of a game. Today we're going to be playing Truth or Dare, not Truth or Drink, because we don't drink, so it would have been very boring drinking some water playing this game. So we've decided to go Truth or Dare. We have some truth here and we have some dares here. So both of us are going to pick one out, and yeah, you guys know how the game works. And if we don't want to answer the truth, we'll do the dare. Some of these things, you know, I can't do.
She's not gonna do it.
I'm not gonna do it, guys. I'm soon to be married. You know, I'm a murora now. I can't be doing some of this stuff online.
She would make these excuses 5 years ago. 5 years ago, singleness. She would say the same thing. So
I can't do some of this stuff. I'm a murora, you know. So we'll start with the truth.
I'm single though.
Who's good?
Just put that out there. Okay,
let me pick. My first celebrity crush.
I would love to answer that.
What do you mean?
That's fun stuff.
My first celebrity crush. I don't even remember. It was so long ago. Like, who can I say? I was in love with. Okay. There was a few. Like any teenage girl, you know.
No, some of us were loyal. We chose one.
Okay. I was in love. It depends on the movie.
You were that girl that was like every month there was a new celebrity.
No. Okay. It depends. Is it a singer? Is it an actor? Like, you know.
Just the main one that you remember.
My first ever one is, you remember Shark Boy and Lover Girl?
Oh, Taylor Lautner?
Taylor Lautner. Shark Boy.
So was it him in real life or just Shark Boy? Like, was it like, did you go and find out about him in real life?
I witnessed him as Shark Boy, so it was when he was Shark Boy.
Did you bother to like then like be?
No, like
okay.
I was young,
it was just Shark Boy.
I didn't even know who he was.
Yeah,
I didn't even know
Shark
Google.
was,
you can search who is Shark Boy.
Do you know they're remaking a new one?
Really?
They're remaking a new one, but not with him.
Oh,
isn't that sad?
Well,
yeah, I know. He fine.
All right, go ahead.
Good
next pick. No, I'm nervous. What?
I was 12 and I didn't like him.
You didn't. What's the question?
You know, Dare looks good.
You have to tell us what the question is.
Okay, why did your last relationship break up?
So, your last relationship is the one that was most recent. The last one you were in.
Yeah, I was
so
12.
Tell us. Oh, the last relationship you were in was when you were 12?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we talking about like...
No. You answer if you want to answer. If you don't... You were 12?
I was 12. You're making me so weird. Cut the cameras. Cut the camera.
Okay. I think Belinda needs to take a dare.
I'm gonna take a
clearly
dare.
She's not willing to tell us the truth.
Okay. Yeah.
Just take your dare. Come on.
My last relationship break.
She was 12.
My last relationship.
I just read your dare.
I called my boyfriend. I was 12.
Thank you.
Yeah, somebody. That's abuse. Phone until someone says stop.
No, I mean, it was meant to say, I remember this one, it was meant to say, like, scroll on your phone until someone says stop, then delete or call that number.
Okay.
So go.
Last person I called a boyfriend, I was 12. Period. Okay? Are you still recording?
Scroll until I say stop.
Are you looking at people specifically?
No, I'm picking a certain letter.
He's an adult. This is not be easy. Stop. Go quickly, essay.
What's the nearest person to? I pick this one.
This one?
Yes.
You know why I said yes to this?
I changed my mind. I want this one. They're all Zim numbers.
They're all South African numbers. I have my dad's old contact, so that's why I was like, it's okay, because I don't think they're gonna pick up. So this is an essay number. I don't know who this is.
Just say
Wow, I wish it was entry. Don't you? Line busy. God is good, because I don't know who this is. I don't know who this is. I'll be like, I knew which letter you were waiting for. You skipped it. Well, she gonna know now. She gonna know now.
no, she ain't. That's why.
The question is, are you gonna read it?
Something you're glad your mom doesn't know.
Yo, if I don't want my mom to know, what makes you think I want the whole world to know? That don't make no sense. I can't tell my mama.
Ain't that the truth?
Ain't that the truth?
Alright. Yeah.
This is your second time picking day. I'm just pointing that out. No, scroll in your phone.
Call whoever you scroll in your phone.
Okay, round it up. Let's go.
No, but I have like...
please, excuses, please.
No, Belinda, I don't like phone calls.
Okay.
Gosh, I'll stop. Hey, you tell me when to stop. You tell me when to stop.
Just look. Okay. Stop. It's between those two.
No, I'm not giving you
that have the same name. That have the same name. It's between the two. There's two with that name. Choose. That's where your finger was. It was on the line in between. A classmate?
Yeah.
Well.
Your call couldn't be connected. Please check the number. Your call couldn't be connected. Please check the number.
No, but good on you. You had some guts to actually do that. Good on you. I know that's awkward for you. I know that would have been really awkward. I'm proud of you for even pressing the call button. Favorite friend. Well, ain't that the tea? Well, ain't that the tea? I know you have to pick Dare. Don't prolong it. You know you're going to pick Dare.
My favorite
And
friend.
if you don't pick Dare, I'm going to be hurt. So pick Dare. Because I know you want to pick someone. And if you pick that person, I'm walking out this door.
But why not? But why?
Because they can't take every category.
Why not?
They can't take every category in your life.
Okay. By force and fire, I just put this back. By force and fire, I have been told to pick Dare. But I think we all know who it was.
Starts with an F.
That I was going to pick.
That's so sad. That's not fair.
I know. I'm tired of calling people.
See?
Call your 12 contacts and put it on speak. I'm tired. I'm tired.
On one person.
I'm honestly tired.
They're all A's.
It'll be A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah. Call them. Keep in mind, if you don't know, Tatenda has a very small social group. I think she calls 3 people in her contact list. I'm one of them, and it's like once a month.
It's gonna call me back.
Well, what are you gonna say? You didn't even plan what you were gonna say. See, that's the problem.
You know, when the spirit leads, the spirit will lead.
So what are you gonna say when they come back? Butt dial?
Yeah, but go ahead.
I should have given you that. Why am I taking the thick one? Because the thick ones are the ones
the
thick ones that have the ones that have tea. How much does Tatenda make on YouTube?
Oh, thank God I didn't get that.
Huh?
How much do I make on YouTube?
I don't want to put that out there. And plus, it varies all the time. And by the time I may say it now, next month it's gonna be more. So
And I don't even think you really know anyway.
I know a range. Let's not falsify. Exchange shirts with the person next to you. Yes.
Nah.
Yes. If I fit it. So let's look in your closet and find something that fits.
It's what I'm wearing and what you're wearing. Belinda, I'm wearing a dress.
I just wear the top and then
Belinda, you think this thing is gonna button up?
We'll figure it out. What's wrong with a little?
Let me just fix you up. There we go.
Or I kind of just magically turn into
you ain't gonna button it
like your sister. It ain't gonna button.
Oh
I ain't gonna stretch it out for you. You gonna want to wear this again?
No, don't, please. It's fine the way it is.
It's the cheated one. Have you cheated on someone? No, I would have to have had a relationship after 12 to cheat on someone. So, you know, actually, you can be a cheater at 12. I am not.
Most childish thing I do is that I like to watch cartoons, animations, the likes. My favorite of all. Yes, I've been wanting to really go see Trolls World Tour. Any animation that is, you know, good, funny, I love it. Favorite is Lilo and Stitch. After that is Lion King. And the list goes on from there. The original, not the one with Beyonce sounding like Beyonce.
The shade! Worst intimate experience. Next! Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. All my real ones know the answer to that. Send a text to your last contact in the list. Okay. I'm sure it's someone I don't know. Who starts with a Z anyways?
Belinda has so many damn contacts.
It's my dad's. Oh, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, directory.
Well, last known person, so it's
Zimbabwean Centurion. I don't know what that is.
that one.
Let's hope the number changed.
No, I want the bottom one, the pink one.
I really hope their number changed. Why are you doing this to me? Please, God. I don't really know what to say to this person. I haven't...
It was meant to be a text, not a call.
Oh! What? No, a text is worse.
Yeah, text. Go ahead. What are you gonna say? Text is genuine. You know what I mean? Means he meant to send it.
Exactly.
What you gonna say? Hey, how are you? Long time.
No. You're enjoying this too much.
Do they call back? Or is that guy?
No, I think it's them. Then what did your video get me into? Because I didn't have to talk to this person for like 2 years. Look, I called them and they called me back, so that's...
No, you better send that text. You better send that text.
I can think of something later. Okay?
No,
I mean, like, I'll think of something. I'll say hi now and I'll think of something later.
Hey, how are you?
No. Do you understand that this is a male? Okay, saying hey, how are you? Just it's like out of 2 years, it's like,
hey, how you doing? Missed you. Long time no see. How's your lockdown been? 2020. Oh yeah. Are you coming to end of year? Are you coming to crossover?
I literally can't think of anything to say. Emojis. I thought you said send a heart. I was like, good shot.
You better send a hi. How you doing? H-I send. Done.
I don't know what I'm gonna say. Let's hope their number changed. Oh my gosh.
Clearly not, because they called you back. Ah! You responded.
Stop it! I don't know what to say! I don't like this game. Anyways, that's the end of our video.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video.
I'm not happy.
Belinda's bitter.
I'm so not.
I hope you liked the video. Make sure to comment down below your
You
thoughts.
better like this video.
And like if you
Because-
like the video. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.